Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Happy Wednesday. Yesterday, we got some inflation data via CPI, and that was for the month of February, and that was up 0.6%. So that brought the core rate from 1.3% up to 1.6%. So we're starting to see inflation heat up, and the bond market did not like that yesterday. It instantly dropped over 30 basis points from that news, but recovered rather nicely. It closed up the bond market yesterday due to some negative news, unfortunately, from Johnson & Johnson. They have that one and done vaccination where the CDC and the FDA came out and suggested that they put a pause on that vaccine right now because there was a couple of cases where women were getting a rare blood clot from it and some other side effects. In fact, I think one person actually died. There was only 6 cases out of about 7 million vaccines that were issued, but even though it was small, it's enough to make some concern there. So they're putting a pause on that. We'll have to see how that plays out. But regarding inflation, we're going to have to keep an eye on this and look for, over the next coming couple of months, April's report on CPI, because April is going to replace last April's. So we judge this year over year. We judge this over 12 months. Last April 2020, was in the right at the height of the shutdown. So there was a negative inflation number there, which now we're probably going to see for this April a positive number. So we have analysts thinking that inflation, this 1.6, could easily go to over 2, possibly 2.5 on inflation. So that's not going to be good for rates. So we have to keep an eye on that. Sometimes you just got to be willing to get your hands dirty. The magic and the shortcut is simple. It's doing the work. Your dream home is going to begin with a great location. Whether you're looking at Wainscott, Watermill, East Hampton, Southampton, or even Shelter Island,